Welcome back everybody. In today's video we are going over the Harbor Freight coupon deals. These are the super coupons that are going on from August 3rd to the 16th. But first we got another deal going on if you're watching this at the beginning of this sale. Right now, Monday August 3rd through Thursday August 6th, you can get yourself a free Harbor Freight hat. Everyone is with a purchase of $30 or more. If you're ITC, you got to spend $14.99 or more and you get the free hat. Now we're going to be starting this sale in air tools and compressors. And the first thing we're going to have here is going to be the Merlin 3/8 inch by 50 foot heavy duty retractable air hose reel with the rubber hose with a 1/4 inch MPT fittings for $69.99, saving you $30 off. Next up here we have the Earthquake XT 3/4 inch composite air impact wrench. This is a twin hammer, 1,800 foot-pounds for $199.99, saving you $50. Good deal on that. Next up here, we have a Merlin 3/8 inch by 100 foot rubber air hose, 1/4 inch MPT fittings, $39.99, 20% off. That is another good deal. Then finishing off this row, we got a Merlin 1/4 inch industrial automotive and ARO style universal coupler, your choice, which is going to be female or male, for $349.99, 25% off. That's another great sale. Then finishing off this section, we've got a Black Widow 0.3mm and 0.5mm trigger style gravity feed dual action airbrush for $79.99, 11% off. Not the best deal on this one. I'd like to see 15% or higher, but at that price, there's no sale that really goes with it. So at 11%, I would pick it up if you need it. Next category is going to be one of my favorites. We got Automotive here. And starting off Automotive, we have a Daytona 3-ton low-profile professional floor jack with a rapid pump for $169.99, $30 off on that one, and this one is available in these 4 colors here. Then we got the Pittsburgh brake bleeder and vacuum pump kit for $17.99, 30% off. That is a great deal on that one. Next up here, we have a Pittsburgh 12-volt portable tire inflator with the LED light for $11.99, 29% off. Not a bad deal. And then finishing off this row, we got another Pittsburgh 12-volt battery direct tire inflator with the LED light for $49.99 at 28% off. Starting off this row, we got an Icon. This one's only got a 1-year guarantee on it. It's a professional digital display circuit light tester with the interchangeable shanks for $69.99, 12% off. Like to see that a little bit higher, but once again, this is in that price range where you're going to have to snag it because they don't have no good deals usually on something in this price range. Next up here, we got scrubbing towels, 72 count from Gojo. These are going to be $12.99 on sale for 27% off. Not a bad deal on that one. Next up here, we got the Maddox trim panel scraper set. This is going to be a 12-piece, $14.99 at 25% off. And finishing off this row, we got a Viking 3400 peak amp Pro portable car battery jump starter and power pack for $329.99, $70 off. Starting off this row, we got a Hallmaster 1,000-pound capacity 1.5 inch by 10 foot ratcheting tie down strap 4-pack. This is going to be $17.99 at 28% off. Next up here, we got a Kenway magnetic LED wireless tow light kit for $129.99, $20 off. Then we got the Hallmaster 600-pound capacity and motorcycle carrier for $219.99 at $20 off. And finishing off this row, we got another Hallmaster 2.5-ton trailer RV scissor stabilizer. This is going to be $29.99 at 21% off. Starting off this row, we got a Hallmaster 6,000-pound capacity 2-inch by 20-foot recovery strap for $13.99, only 12% off. Like to see a little bit better on that. And then the last thing in this section is going to be a Pittsburgh 5/16 inch side terminal battery ratchet wrench. This is going to be $199, 42% off. And the next category we got here is going to be generators and plumbing. And the first thing that we have in this one is going to be a Predator 10,000 watt gas powered portable generator with remote start and CO secure technology for $799.99, $100 off. That's a good deal on that. Then we got the Drummond 3/4 horsepower non-submersible. This is going to be the Supermax 1-inch transfer pump, $139.99, $30 off. Then we got the Drummond 1/2 horsepower submersible sewage pump with the tether switch. This is going to be $104.99 at $15 off. And finishing off this row, we got a Jupiter 1500 watt continuous 3,000 watt modified sine wave power inverter for $109.99, $20 off. Starting off this row, we got the Jupiter 400 watt continuous, 800 watt peak modified sine wave power inverter, $44.99 at 15% off right at our threshold. Then finishing off this row, we got a Pittsburgh lifetime warranty 36-inch aluminum pipe wrench, $47.99 at 12% off. A little bit low on that one also. Like to see it a little bit higher. Now we're going to another favorite category I like, and that is going to be hand tools. And starting off in hand tools, we got some icons here in the first row. Love it when we see some icons here. What we got is the Icon lifetime guarantee, half-inch drive professional impact socket set. Your choice, that's going to be standard or metric for $44.99 at 18% off. Then we got some Pittsburgh Pro lifetime warranty half-inch drive color-coded deep socket set. This one is a 10-piece. This is going to be your choice again, a standard or metric for $10.99, 26% off. Great deal on that. Now we got the Doyle. This has got a lifetime guarantee also. 4-pound steel cross peen hammer. This is going to be $14.99 at 25% off. That's a good deal. Finishing off this row, we got another Icon lifetime warranty, 8-inch 3-position slip joint pliers for $17.99 at 18% off. Not a bad deal on these. Of course, when they did the 30 or 35% off pliers, that would have been the time to snag them. But if you missed that, I would grab these now. Then starting off this row, we got the Windsor Design wood chisel set, 6-piece for $7.99 at 38% off. That's a great deal. Then we got the Pittsburgh lifetime warranty 6-inch diagonal cutters for $1.99, 50% off. Can't beat 50% off for a decent pair of diagonal cutters. I would snag those up. I would actually snag a couple of those up. It's already August. You need to start thinking about those stocking stuffers. And talking about stocking stuffers, here's a little bit something else that's kind of heavy to go in there, but we got the Pittsburgh lifetime warranty 10-inch steel adjustable wrench, $4.99 at 37% off. That's another great deal. Then finishing off this row, we got the Doyle lifetime guarantee 9.5-inch high leverage linesman pliers with the crimping tool. This is going to be $17.99 at 18% off. Decent deal on that one. And the last thing we got in this category is going to be the Pittsburgh lifetime warranty precision screwdriver set with a molded handle 6-piece for $3.99 at 33% off. I just bought these over the 30% off of 20 and under sale, but that's all right. It's only an extra 3% off that I would have got, but man, if I would have known that, I would have waited. Our next category is going to be lighting and specialty, and starting off this row, we've got the Union Safe Company 10 Pew Pew key lock security cabinet for $149.99 at $50 off. Then we got the Bunker Hill Security 115 lumen wall mount solar security lights. Your choice of color of white or black on that for $8.99, 40% off. That's a great deal on those. Next up here, we got the Bunker Hill Security 500 lumen LED solar security lights. Your choice once again of black or white right here. We got $19.99 at 20% off. And finishing off this row, we got the Thunderbolt Magnum high capacity nickel metal hydride rechargeable batteries. These are going to be the AA, AAA 4-packs, which is your choice on those. And it's going to be $7.99 at 20% off. Then finishing off this category, we got the Braun 7,000 lumen 2-foot linkable motion sensing LED hanging shop light for $31.49, only 10% off. I'd like to see a little bit better than that. Now our next category is going to be outdoors, and the first thing we have in here is going to be the 1,200-pound capacity steel utility cart with removable sides for $149.99, $40 off. Then we got a foldable aluminum sports chair, your choice of color, which is going to be green or blue for $27.99, 15% off. Not a bad deal, mostly with fall coming up. A lot of people are doing more outdoor stuff in the fall because it's a little bit cooler. I know a lot of people do stuff in the summer also, but great time to snag something like this up. These are very sturdy chairs. Then we got the 15-foot 2-inch by 19-foot 6-inch heavy-duty reflective all-purpose weather-resistant 9mm tarp for $26.99 at 18% off. And finishing off this row, we got the 18-foot by 24-foot silver and black extreme duty weather-resistant 12mm tarp for $54.99 at 21% off. Now, starting off this row, we got some 20-volt Bauer cordless stuff. We got the Bauer 20-volt cordless string trimmer tool only for $44.99 at 18% off. Then we got the Bauer 20 volt cordless, 96 miles per hour, 138 CFM jet fan blower, tool only for $44.99, once again at 18% off. And finishing off this section, we've got the Cover Pro 10 foot by 10 foot heavy duty straight leg pop-up canopy for $109.99, $30 off. And the next category we got here is going to be power tools. And the first thing we got here in power tools is going to be a Bauer 10-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw for $219.99 at $40 off. Now we got some Hercules 15 amp 4.3 HP 14-inch abrasive cutoff saw. Sorry, I was about ready to say wheel. $149.99 at $40 off. Good deal on that. Next up, we got the Hercules 12 amp variable speed reciprocating saw. This is going to be $89.99, $10 off. And finishing off this row, we got some more Hercules. We got a 1 3/4 compact rated magnetic nut setter set, 9-piece. This is going to be your choice of standard or metric for $9.99, 33% off. Great deal on those. Next up here, we have a whole row of Hercules. We've got the 10-inch 84T laminated plastics non-ferrous metal cutting miter and table saw blade for $32.99, 17% off. Next up here, we have the Hercules 15 amp 66 pound 1 1/8 inch hex breaker hammer with maximum vibration control for $529.99, $120 off. That's a good deal. Next up, we have a Hercules 44 7/8 inch by 1/2 inch cobalt bimetal deep cut portable bandsaw blades 2-pack for $9.99, 50% off. Man, I should buy some of these. I got a bandsaw review I got to do. And then finishing off this row, we got the Hercules 4.5 inch by 0.040 inch by 7/8 inch type 01/41 metal cutoff wheel 10-pack for $8.99, 30% off. That's another good deal. Starting off this row, we got a Warrior SDS Max type masonry chisel bit set, 3-piece for $34.99 at 22% off. Next up here, we got a Warrior 0.7 amp rotary toolkit, 80-piece for $8.99, only 10% off. This is one where I'd wait for a better deal if you don't need it. Then we've got the Hercules 2.4 amp orbital quarter sheet sander with soft start for $29.99, 33% off. That's a great deal. Finishing off this row, we got the Grant's 3-inch universal pad 2-pack. This is going to be $6.99 at 22% off. Another good deal. And then you also have it available in all these different ones down here. And finishing off this section, we've got a Bauer 3-inch by 21-inch sanding belt 3-pack, your choice. You got these 3 choices down here and 25% off. Not bad deal at all if you need some sanding belts. Great deal. Next category here is going to be shop and garage. And the first thing here, we've got one of my favorites. We got the Icon professional adjustable shop seat with tool storage, $89.99 at $20 off, available in these 4 colors. Next up here, we have the Central Machinery 20-inch 3-speed high-velocity fan for $44.99, 25% off. Great deal on that also. Next up here, we got the Avante high-performance handheld HVLP paint and stain sprayer for $99.99, $20 off. And finishing off this row, we got a Pittsburgh 1,300-pound electric hoist with the remote control, $129.99, $20 off. Starting off this row, we got a 9-piece paint kit here for $9.99 at 23% off. Then we got something new here from Cover Pro. We got a 5-foot by 5-foot canvas drop cloth for $3.99, 42% off. And finishing off this section, we've got the Avante paintbrush set, 2-piece, best quality, $7.99, 11% off. Like to see a better deal on that, mostly when you can get the 30% off under 20, so that is not a good deal. Next up here, we got storage, and we got some goodies in here from US General. We got the US General 27-inch by 22-inch roll cab, $349.99, 30% off, available in these 9 colors. Very nice. Then we got a US General magnetic paper towel holder that you could put on this roll cab. This is going to be $9.99, 33% off. Great deal on that, available in 9 colors. Next up here, we've got the US General 3/8-inch drive magnetic socket holder $12.99, 35% off. That's a good deal, but I'll tell you right now, I really don't care for these, just for the simple fact, usually most socket sets don't cover all the numbers that are on these, and it just kicks in my OCD, but that's just me. Then finishing off this row, we got the US General half-inch drive magnetic socket holder for $14.99, 34% off. And of course, both of these are going to be in metric or standard. Starting off this row, we got the Storehouse 8-bin large portable parts storage case for $9.99, 23% off. Next up here, we got the US General 36-inch by 24-inch 2-shelf steel service cart black for $69.99, 20% off on that one. Then we got the magnetic cup holder here from US General. This is going to be $9.99, 16% off, and this is available in 6 colors, and they got it in the new purple on that one. And finishing off this row, we got the Storehouse 13-bin wall mount parts rack. This one's going to be $14.99 at 25% off. In the next category, we've got the welding and machinery. And the first thing we got here is going to be the Bauer 8-inch 5-speed bench drill press with the light for $79.99. Only 11% off. Like to see a better deal on that one. Then we got the Doyle Lifetime Guarantee 4.5-inch swivel vise with the anvil and pipe jaws. $99.99, $50 off. That is a great deal on that one. Then we got the titanium 9.3 square inch auto darkening welding helmet for $89.99, only $10 off. Like to see a little bit better on that one. And finishing off this section, we have the Bauer 35-gallon dust collector with a 2-micron canister filter for $399.99 at $50 off. Starting off this row, we got a Quinn lifetime warranty on this 52-inch and 100-inch clamp and cutting edge guide. This is going to be $32.99 at 17% off. Then we got a Doyle lifetime guarantee 6-inch hitch vise for $89.99, $30 off. Next up here is a Berger 3-in-1 135 amp multi-process welder with a 120 volt input for $109.99, only $10 off. That is not a great deal to me. And finishing off this row, we got a Chicago Electric fixed shade welding helmet for $19.99 at 33% off. That is a great deal. Starting off this row, we got the Central Machinery 2.5-inch table saw swivel vise for $19.99, 13% off, little low. Sometimes you can get a better deal on this, but if you need it, I would probably snag it. Then we got the Bauer 22-inch variable speed scroll saw for $249.99, $30 off. Next up here, we got a Hercules 2-inch by 48-inch belt grinder, $249.99, $50 off. And the last thing we got here is going to be the Central Machinery 10-inch by 18-inch 5-speed half horsepower bench top wood lathe. This is going to be $249.99 at $50 off. And there you have it. There is the Harbor Freight Super Coupons that are going on from August 3rd to the 16th. Once again, there's quite a few good things in here, some disappointments. If there's something you guys want to pick up, leave that comment down below. If you're disappointed in something, leave that comment down below. Love talking to you guys in the comments. So as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. It really helps out the channel, and I can't grow this channel without you guys. Also, we are one nation under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.